All right. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, everyone. My name is Diandra Canny Altari, and in this opportunity, I will present a material about the scope of historical comparative linguistics, which is an overview of what we are going to learn in historical comparative linguistics. Now, without further ado, let's go to the presentation immediately. First, we have the introduction here. Um, Historical comparative linguistics are very closely related to language change. So language change explores how languages evolve in vocabulary, grammar, and syntax. And because it is driven by internal linguistic processes and societal influences, language change is a complex and ongoing phenomenon even until now as we are speaking right now. Now, next, we have Saussurian dichotomy, which we also have diachrony versus synchrony. And by diachrony versus synchrony, the first one, diachrony, it means a study of language across different time periods. Meanwhile, synchrony means that study of a language at a specific moment of time. So, Saussure's concept highlights how both approaches reveal different insights about a language. So here we can see that um, the study of language can happen in different time periods and also at a specific moment in time. So next we have language reconstruction. Linguists reconstruct ancient unwritten languages using patterns in modern languages. And also consistency in sounds, vocabulary, and grammar are crucial in hypothesis-driven process. So sounds not only that previously we have that vocabulary, grammar, and syntax, we also have um, sounds in it. So sounds or phonetic changes are also crucial in language change. So language reconstruction has its own challenges. The first one is the limited data and incomplete records. It makes the reconstruction difficult because we cannot really have a comparison between the data of a language between different period of times because of the loss of the data, or it 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 wasn't recorded in the previous study, so it makes us difficult to compare it right now. And then next one, we have natural language evolution, regional variations, and historical shifts, which adds the complexity of a language reconstruction. Next, we have influence of social and cultural factors. So social, cultural, and political factors drive language change because we as a human, of course we interact every day with social, cultural, and political aspects everywhere, and we use language in it. So of course, over time language will change as humanity or the society progress with time. So of course language will develop itself. For example, the Roman Empire's influence on Latin and resulting Romance languages. It is mostly because of migration patterns which affects language shifts. And we also have Saussure, chessboard analogy here. So Saussure said that language change is like a chess game. Each move changes the game, but no one controls it fully. So if we put language here, it means that each move of language, each move by, sorry, each move by the society changes the language, but no one controls that language fully because it will develop over time, like I said before. And this analogy reflects how individual speakers contribute, but language evolves within a community. So it's said that speakers or for example, us, really contribute on language changes, but language evolves within a community, so it cannot change or evolve without the community itself. So that is all for our overview of what we are going to learn in historical comparative linguistics. And that's all for me. If there's any mistake on pronunciation or mistakes on pronouncing the name of the experts, I'm really sorry about it. Thank